Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Back to Basics. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make yourself a yogurt. It is very simple, but it does require a live bacteria. So generally, a yogurt is made with milk, and as per bacteria, you have two choices. You can buy yourself a already live yogurt, okay, or you can get yourself a lactose bacteria specifically designed to make yogurts. The beauty of that is, guys, once you actually made your first batch, you can be using a little bit of that batch to then create your next batch. So if you do have to invest in either one or the other, it's only going to be once. If you continue making your yogurts for free, just buy yourself some milk. So without further ado, let's proceed. I'm going to be using a big thermal yogurt maker, but of course you can make this into a thermal cup, or in fact you can actually also make this into the saucepan, but you just have to make sure you insulate it a little bit. But it is actually very simple. So I've got myself a pot and I've got myself some warm milk. It has to be warm, okay, to help the process, and it happens every time. So fill it to the top, and I made a mess every time. Okay, I've got myself a live bacteria. I'll put the link down below. Right, we're gonna sprinkle this on top. It's a fermenting culture. Right, okay, and I'm really gonna give it a good shake. Make sure we mix it in together. Okay, so now the kettle is pretty much hot already. I'm just gonna bring it up to a higher temperature. That will do. Right, so now I've got my big yogurt thing, and it is literally a big thermal cup with the insert there to raise off that yogurt off the hot water. Right, now we're gonna put the water in. Drop our milk in, put the lid, and that's that. We're going to be leaving this for approximately 8 to 12 hours. And of course, guys, if you're using one of those kind of things, you make sure your milk is warm, you mix in your bacteria or the yogurt, okay, close the lid, and then again, put this in place for 8 to 12 hours. So see you then. So there we are, the next day. Let's get our yogurt out and see. Okay. Here we go. Let's get that in. Here we are, look at that. It looks like it's set on the top with a bit of that, like a slightly orangey color because of the fat in the milk, but let's have a closer look. So guys, look at that. How good is that? Superb. It's just super creamy. Look at it. It's beautiful. All you got to do, just to put this in the fridge to cool a little bit, and it's great. So there we are, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. And the fresh yogurt just tastes absolutely amazing. The reason I've got the little film on the top here, the orange one, this is all the fat or like a cream from the milk. I used unhomogenized milk, and this is the reason why, you know, when it sits in the fridge, the fats kind of separates, or cream separates to the top. This has the same effect, unfortunately, when you make a yogurt, but this kind of makes it really special. If you wanted to avoid this, just use a normal homogenized milk, and this wouldn't happen. You just have normal creamy yogurt without the little coating of cream on top. As it comes to enjoying this, of course, I don't have to tell you how to eat the yogurt, but because it's all natural, there's no sugar in it, you can sweeten this with the honey or maybe a little bit of jam, depends what you like to eat that with. And storing wise, just put this in an airtight container. It will sit in your fridge easily for 3 to 5 days. When you're ready, okay, just keep a little bit of yogurt, right? If you want to make yourself a next batch, just take a probably good tablespoon of that yogurt, add it onto your milk, and you can start your process all over again without needing to buy anything else. So there we are, guys. Literally really simple. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe if not a subscriber, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.